coaching thought for the day. So today I want to talk about the power of asking the right questions. As instructional coaches, it's our job to just ask a whole lot of questions. And I want to share a recent experience that I had. I went to a doctor's appointment, and to be very transparent and open and vulnerable, I have struggled my whole life with anxiety. I mean, my entire life. And I recently, about 2 years ago, actually started on medication for helping me with my anxiety. And so I've been doing that and, felt like things were going really well. Well, I just had a checkup recently, and, going into it, I thought I'm doing really well with my anxiety, like things are under control and that sort of thing. But the questions that the doctor asked me made me realize, like when she was getting down to, are you on a scale of this to this? How much are you affected by lack of sleep? Or, I don't know, like thoughts of something bad happening or whatever. And as I was going through those questions and I totaled them up, I realized, you know what? I thought I was doing really well with my anxiety right now, but it turns out I am absolutely not. And so that led me to realize, like, okay, I need to come up with a little bit of a plan to help me with this. I share all that to say, when we are coaching teachers, it's our job to not tell them what to do and not point out to them flaws that you might see in their teaching or that sort of thing. It is to ask them questions to help them reflect on what they see as the work is that needs to be done. And then it is our job to support them. So just a reminder today, the power of asking the right questions is tremendous.